Hi, it's Andrea from Kids. So, with everything that's going on, we know that this Easter is going to be a little bit different than most of our Easters. And I know that I was looking through Pinterest trying to find a cute dessert to make. And while a lot of them are super cute, a normal human can't make them, especially if you want your kids to help. So, we found and tested a super cute yet very easy and fun to make dessert. It is a bunny cupcake. So, super easy. Kids can make it. You will see in this video today that it's fun and easy to make, and not only is this a cute bunny cupcake, but on the inside it's actually tie-dyed. So when you eat into it, you'll see beautiful colors and artwork inside. So it's kind of like a Easter bunny that's stuffed with colorful eggs. So we hope that you enjoy the video. Um, we'd love to see some of your cupcakes that you make, and we hope that you have a good time. All right, good morning. So we are in the kitchen and we are ready to make our colorful bunny cupcakes. It's super easy to do and lots of fun. All you need to do is just prepare your cake mix, or if you want to make it by scratch, you can. It does work better if you use white instead of yellow, just because the colors come out a little bit better. So prepare your cake mix according to the directions, and then this is how we make the colorful middle. And it is super simple that even children can do. What you're going to do is you're going to take your cake batter and you're just going to split it up into 3 or 4 different containers. It just depends on how many different colors you want. And then what we will do next is we will add the food coloring. You know what, and then we'll just leave, we'll actually do a 5th color in there. All right. What color would you like to do?
Blue.
So, do a couple of drops. What color for you?
Yeah.
Red? Okay. Then what we can do is use the spoon to mix up. And it's a good idea to use a couple of extra drops to make it a little bit darker, because you want it a little bit brighter when you bake it. You want to do yellow in that one. Yep. And whoa, that is so good. All right, mix it up. So now you see that we have our 4 different colors of batter. All we're going to do now is each kiddo is going to get a pan, and they are just going to scoop. Here's yours, Diana. You just scoop a spoonful, and you can rotate colors. You want each cupcake liner about halfway full, so you can do, here you can move a little bit closer. So what I usually like to do is do like a scoop of blue in a bunch of them, and then go through and do a scoop of red in a bunch of them. So you're going to do that. It's fun to intermix the colors, and sometimes it works better to just pour a little bit. But again, you don't want it more than half full. So go ahead and mix your colors and fill the batter. All right, so as you can see, we have filled our cupcakes with the different colors. And what you can do now is these are nice and rainbowy. But for here, you can use a knife and you can just do a little bit of mixing. So why don't you go ahead, Ava? You just put the knife in and you just swirl. You don't want to mix completely. You just want to do a marbled effect, which you really can't see much now, but after they're done baking, you will be able to see. Here is a close-up of the cupcakes and how you use a knife to mix them. Let's mix this one. That one just looks a little yellow. There we go. And again, you don't want to mix. You're just going to make a marbled effect. Now it is time to put them in the oven. All right, now what it is time to make our ears. that we're going to put on top of our cupcakes, and I'll show you a close-up. Here's a close-up of the ears. The way you'd make the ears is, Mom or Dad, you're going to take a marshmallow. You're going to cut it diagonally. And really, it's more of a pushing your knife in and just kind of carefully pulling the marshmallow up. Now, what the kiddos are going to do is they have a plate full of the pink powder. They're going to take their marshmallow, sticky side down, stick it in. Oh, keep going. Oh, man down. Okay. So go ahead. There you go. And then put it on this plate and then do the next one. So older kiddos, they can work on kind of shaping it into an ear. Diana, do the next one. And you're going to do this. So if you made 24 cupcakes, you're going to need 24 marshmallows and 48 ears. So go ahead and make your ears, and then we'll show you how to put it all together. All right, so our cupcakes are cooled, and now we're ready to decorate them and turn them into a bunny. You can see that we've just used an icing. Now you're going to take your ears that you made, and you can reshape them, and you just stick them on. And then we're using a jelly bean for the nose. And there are your simple bunny cupcakes. Now, if you happen to have some candy eyeballs, you can add the candy eyeballs. And you can have that. We also made a chocolate one if you wanted. And now you have super cute bunny cupcakes that you can make. And as you can see, the kiddos can help. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and split open one of these cupcakes, because the great part is that there is a secret on the inside. So inside each cupcake, you see a colorful surprise. We hope that you enjoyed making these cupcakes with us, and we will see you tomorrow.